Robério's chocolate dream. Robério had never known a world beyond the rustling leaves of his childhood home and the familiar faces of his small village. But life, as it often does, had other plans. At a tender age, he found himself uprooted from his tranquil existence and thrust into the bustling chaos of the big city. His family, burdened by debt, had sent him away to seek his fortune. Alone and adrift in a sea of unfamiliar faces, Robério found himself sleeping on park benches and scavenging for scraps. The city, so full of promise, felt cold and indifferent. Days turned into weeks, and hope began to dwindle. Just when he thought he couldn't endure another day, he met Mr. Jacques. Mr. Jacques was an elderly man who owned a small chocolate factory. He was a kind soul, weathered by time but with a heart full of warmth. Seeing the desperation in Robério's eyes, Mr. Jacques offered him a job. It was a simple task at first, cleaning machines and packing chocolates, but it was enough to give Robério a sense of purpose. Under Mr. Jacques' tutelage, Robério learned the intricacies of chocolate making. He developed a passion for the craft, and his days were filled with the tantalizing aroma of cocoa beans and the sweet satisfaction of creating something delicious. They formed a bond, the young and the old, united by their shared love for chocolate. As the years passed, Mr. Jacques' health began to fail. On his deathbed, he revealed a secret. The factory was actually Robério's. He had seen something special in the young boy and wanted to ensure his future. Overwhelmed with gratitude and a newfound sense of responsibility, Robério vowed to honor Mr. Jacques' legacy. With renewed determination, Robério expanded the small factory into a thriving business. His chocolates became renowned for their quality and unique flavors. Yet, amid his success, he often found himself reminiscing about his humble beginnings and the kindness of Mr. Jacques. The city that had once felt so cold and indifferent had become his home, but a part of him always longed for the simple life he had left behind.